Good evening, children. Today we are going to read the chapter Marco Polo. Marco Polo was a traveler. Traveler is a person who traveling to other places for a research or discovery, and they have no permanent house. Okay. And there are some picture of ship and boat. You have to match with them. Okay. One I am going to tell you, other you do yourself. What is that? Junk. So you see these all the statement. First that flat bottom sailing boat with red sails used by Chinese sailors. Junks can be seen in Hong Kong. So what is that? That is junk. You will match this. Other also you read this and match with them. Okay. Now we are coming on the chapter. Uh, First I am reading this. Explain it. Okay. Marco Polo was a merchant and adventurer. The adventurer means a journey through the forest, water, air, or mountain. So those people do these work. They are called adventurer. Okay. So he was a merchant. Merchant means a trader who import and export goods. Import and export means बेचना और खरीदना. He traveled with his father and uncle from Venice in Italy to China. Marco Polo spent 17 years in China before returning to Venice. In the age of 17, he started his journey from Venice with his uncle and father. Now we will read the story about his adventurous explorer. उसने क्या क्या खोजा इस डेयरिंग जॉब के अंदर, इस साहसिक कार्य के अंदर उसने क्या क्या काम किए. वी विल रीड इन दिस. Long, long ago, when there were no planes and trains, no car and buses, people had to travel to other countries by ship or caravan. In the olden times, children, there were no planes, no train, no car, and how the people travel that time? People travel by ship or caravan. Caravan means that is a vehicle, and it was pulled by animals. Okay, because Marco Polo was one such traveler who went to many countries because he wanted to learn about the people, their food habits and their culture. So why did he want to go to other places? He wanted to learn about the people, their culture, their habitats, how do they living, what food they eat. So all things he wanted to know about that. Marco Polo was born in Venice, Italy in 1215. He was 17. He set out on the first voyage with his father. In the age of 17, he started his first voyage means journey with his father, Niccolo and his uncle. Niccolo his uncle, Niccolo his father, and Maffeo his father. He wanted to visit China to find out about the country and its people. Why did he start this journey? Because he wanted to know about the China and their people. It took him 3 years to reach China country and its people. How many time he took to reach there? 3 years. It took him 3 years to reach China. Along the way, visited many great cities and saw many sights, including the holy city of Jerusalem. So, during this voyage, this journey, he saw many great cities and many sights, and that is a holy city of Jerusalem, means that is a city of Christians. He also saw the mountains of the Hindu Kush, Persia and the Gobi Desert. Hindu Kush is a mountain, and these are the place, and Gobi Desert. Desert means there is no there is no vegetation. Okay, only sand you will see there. So in India also a desert, Rajasthan, and that desert is known as Thar Desert. Okay, he met a lot of different people and had many adventures. So during this visit, met with many people in this adventures visit. Okay, children, Thar Desert is in Rajasthan. It is the on the border of India and Pakistan. Okay, the one side is Pakistan and this side India. Now, the wealth and luxury of the Chinese cities impressed Marco Polo. He was impressed with the living type of their luxury. Luxury mean ऐशो आराम की life. He was impressed with. He was fascinated by the grandness and greatness of Kublai Khan court. Kublai Khan was the emperor of this place. Okay, and he was impressed with it also. It was nothing like he had experienced in Europe. यूरोप में उसको ऐसा कुछ देखने को नहीं मिला था. The capital city of Kinshe was large. That time the capital of China was Kinshe, but well organized and clean. It was a very big city and it was very organized and clean. The roads were wide. Wide means broad, chaudy. All this was beyond anything he had experienced in Venice. Venice में उसको ऐसा कुछ देखने को नहीं मिला था. Everything from the food to the people to the animal like orangutans and rhino were new and interesting. He was comparing with Venice all the things, the people, the living status of their animals, all things were different from the Venice. Marco Polo lived in China for many years and learned to speak the local language. Local language means wherever we live, we speak the language or learn of that place. So he learned the local language of China. Okay, he traveled throughout China. He served as a messenger and spy for the emperor. तो वहाँ पर लोग वो कैसे उसको ट्रीट किया गया, मैसेंजर. दोज हु सेंड मैसेंजर एंड स्पाई मीन जासूस, कि किसी शासक का वो स्पाई था एंड मैसेंजर था. ही visited a lot of countries in Western Asia, North Africa and Southern Europe. He visited all the countries in this journey. During these visits, he learned about different culture, foods and people. He saw many places and things that nobody from Europe had ever seen before. He saw many places there and all these places he never seen in the Europe. After traveling for 24 years, Marco along with his father and uncle decided to return Venice. So how many years he spent in his journey? 25 years. After that they decided to return Venice. They had left home in 1217. In the year of 1217 they left Venice and finally returned in 1295. A few years after returning home, Venice fought a war with the city of Genoa. As he returned to Venice, there was a war between Venice and Genoa, and Marco was captured and put in a Genoese prison. वो उसको कैद कर लिया गया वहाँ पर. He was released from prison in 1219. He became a wealthy merchant. He married a lady named Donata Badour and had 3 children. तो वो उसकी मैरिज किससे हुई? He was married with Donata and he had 3 children also, and he died in 1324 at the age of 17. Okay, he was died and was buried in the church of San Lorenzo in Venice. Venice में उनका funeral किया गया. It was in the prison that Marco met a well-known writer of stories. Marco narrated detailed story of his journey to the writer who wrote all the stories in a book called The Travelers of Marco Polo. तो इस prison में when he was prison, तो he met there with a writer, and he told about his journey to this writer, and this writer wrote a book for him. What is the name of that book? The Traveler of Marco Polo. Okay, it became a very popular book. So popular means famous. It was translated into many languages and read throughout Europe. जो वेनिस में जो लैंग्वेज थी, यूरोप में जो लैंग्वेज था, ऑल पीपल कांट रीड दैट, फॉर दैट इट वाज ट्रांसलेटेड इन अदर लैंग्वेजेज आल्सो. It is said that Christopher Columbus, another explorer, was greatly inspired by the book. So Columbus was another traveler, and he discovered America in the year of 1492. So he was very impressed. Impressed means प्रभावित होना किसी चीज़ से. Okay. इंस्पायर्ड बाय द बुक. और कहा जाता है कि वो जब वो वापस गया वहाँ से, तो ही कैरिड lots of copies with him. Okay children, I hope all of you understood this chapter, and tomorrow in the class we will discuss about this. Everyone read the chapter yourself. Okay, and this exercise also to practice for that we will discuss in the class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.